Reea and Riuman were the best of friends. Every morning they walked to school together. They shared their lunches at the big oak tree in the schoolyard. After school, they did their homework together and played until dinner time. One sunny afternoon, Reea and Riuman were drawing pictures with colorful chalks on the sidewalk.
I drew a picture of a bright yellow sun.
And I drew a big blue bird flying high in the sky.
They laughed and talked while they drew. As they walked home, Reea started thinking about how much fun she had with Riuman every day. She wondered why it felt so good to have a best friend like Riuman. When Reea got home, she asked her mother.
Mom, why is it so important to have a best friend?
Her mother smiled warmly at Reea and patted her head gently.
That's a wonderful question, Reea. Friends make life more fun and exciting. They are always there for you, no matter what. True friends are precious gifts. They make you smile when you're feeling down. They help you when you're feeling stuck. And they always have time to listen.
Reea thought about what her mother said.
Like Riuman. Riuman is always there for me. We share secrets and make each other laugh. Remember when I fell off my bike and scraped my knee? Riuman was the first one by my side. She helped me up and even carried my bike home for me. And when Riuman was sad that her pet goldfish went to fishy heaven, I stayed with her and helped her bury it in the garden. We even made a tiny tombstone for it.
You see, Reea, her mother said, that's what true friends are for. They share in your happiness and sadness. They are there for you through thick and thin. Reea hugged her mother tightly. She realized how lucky she was to have Riuman as her best friend. She knew their friendship would last forever. From that day on, Reea and Riuman cherished their friendship even more. They became known throughout the school for their kindness and willingness to help others. Their friendship was an inspiration to everyone, showing how beautiful and important a true friend can be.